Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today's tutorial I will show you how to create smooth and professional reels on your phone using CapCut. This is a simple method, perfect if you want clean edits without complicated tools. Okay, let's get started. First, just open CapCut and then just tap on new projects and then import the video clips that you want to use. After that, just add a music track. This is important because we're going to edit based on the beat. And then let's mark the beat. Just go to beat, this one, and then play the music and then listen carefully, and whenever you hear a beat drop, just tap to add a beat. These markers will help us know exactly where to cut each clip so the video matches the rhythm of the song. Next, just split your video according to the beat markers like this, and then just tap on your clips and then choose split. And once you're done, you will have shorter clips perfectly synced to your music. Next, let's add smooth speed change. Start with the first clip, just tap on speed, this one, and then curve, and then choose custom, and then adjust the graph like this. Adjust the graph, but still keep the durations same as before. Okay, like this. And then don't forget to set smooth slow-mo into a better quality like this, and then just checklist. This way will make the result look smooth like this. And then for the short clips, adjust the speed like this, custom again, and then adjust the graph like this. Like this, and then choose better quality, and then just repeat this step for your another clips. The key here is to keep it consistent and smooth, not too jumpy. And okay, like this. Now let's connect the clips with transitions. Tap on white square between two clips, this one, and then choose blur, and then choose this one, and then apply to all. And okay, let's play the video. And okay, that's it. You now have a basic smooth reels. From here you can get creative by adding effects, filters or overlays to make your reel stand out even more. But even with just this step, your video already looks clean and professional. So that's how you can edit smooth reels on mobile using CapCut. Super easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!